Linking your bank account to ScreenPal Business is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your ScreenPal account. Visit the ScreenPal website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to link to your bank. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROB to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your ScreenPal business account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.